Ever dreamt of running a business from the comfort of your pajamas? No commute, no office rent, just pure entrepreneurial bliss? Well, hold on a second, there's one crucial detail: a business address. Legally, most businesses need a registered address. This is where official documents get sent, and it's the address that appears on public records. But what if you don't want your home address plastered everywhere, or you're a freelancer who moves around a lot? Enter the virtual office. A virtual office gives you a prestigious business address without the hefty price tag of a physical office. You can use it for official correspondence, get mail forwarding, and even have a meeting space for occasional client visits, depending on the provider. Now, the question on everyone's mind: how much does this magical virtual kingdom cost? Specifically, how much does Tide Virtual Office set you back? Breaking down Tide's virtual office pricing. Here's the good news: Tide actually makes getting a virtual office address pretty affordable. They offer 2 payment options. Monthly: this is perfect for those who are unsure about their long-term needs or prefer the flexibility. At £23.99, VAT included, per month, it's a convenient way to dip your toes into the virtual office world. Annual: if you know you'll need a virtual office for a while, the annual plan offers significant savings. For £152.54, VAT included, a year, that translates to just £12.71 per month. That's a steal compared to the cost of renting even a small office space. But wait, there's more. The cost of the virtual address itself is just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some additional factors to consider. Location: some virtual office providers offer addresses in prime locations, which can come at a premium. Thankfully, Tide's virtual office boasts a central London address, giving your business a touch of prestige without breaking the bank. Additional services: some virtual office providers offer add-on services like mail forwarding, phone answering, and even meeting room rentals. While Tide doesn't explicitly mention these services on their website, it's always worth checking to see if they're available for an additional fee. Is a virtual office right for you? Now that you know the cost, let's see if a virtual office is the right fit for your business. Here are some situations where a virtual office shines. Home-based businesses: if you work from home but want to keep your personal address private, a virtual office provides a professional alternative. Freelancers and consultants: virtual offices are ideal for freelancers who need a professional address for client communication and invoicing. Startups and small businesses: on a tight budget? A virtual office allows you to project a professional image without the overhead costs of a physical office. The final verdict: affordable and convenient. So, how much is Tide Virtual Office? At £12.71 per month, when you opt for the annual plan, it's a budget-friendly way to establish a professional presence for your business. Plus, the central London address adds a touch of legitimacy. Of course, the decision ultimately depends on your specific needs. But if you're looking for a cost-effective way to manage your business address, Tide Virtual Office is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.